Last week, Naim and Hadi went to the river by bicycle. They brought their fishing rod and baits. At the river, they found a spot and sat down. They put the baits and started fishing. While fishing, they chatted together and suddenly, Hadi caught a fish. Hadi pulled his fishing rod, but the fish was strong. Naim helped Hadi and they pulled together, and finally they pulled out the fish. It was very big. They laughed happily. After catching a few fish, they stopped and ate lunch their mother prepared for them. Then they went home. It was a great day.
That animated story was created by AI, and I'm going to walk you through the steps with free AI tools you can use to make this kind of videos, set up your page and start earning passively on YouTube. And make sure you don't skip any part of this video because I will be giving out some of my best creative skills that can make your content stand out. So with that being said, let's get started. The first step is having a story to tell. Many people might prefer to use ChatGPT, but to make things easier for you, we are going to use this popular website, Pinterest. And you can sign up for free if you don't have an account. So what I want you to do right now is to go to the search bar and type short stories for kids. Now all these are different stories you can use for your videos. But here is a pro tip. You don't just pick any random story you see. You need to make sure that it has moral and engagement. These will improve your video's performance. Now this is the actual story that I used, and what I did was to copy this text and saved it on my note app. Now that we have the script or story for our video, step 2 is the image footage. So what I did was to copy the same script and paste it on ChatGPT and ask it to write image prompts for the story. Now this particular step is very crucial, so you need to pay attention here. If you watch closely, you would see that I divided the script into 7 paragraphs based on the characters and the actions. And that will give us 7 different scenes in the video. And you can see ChatGPT tried to create the images, but I insisted on getting the prompts. So it went ahead and gave me 7 different image prompts for the story. Now let's create the images, and you need to see how to create consistent images on free version of Leonardo AI. And once you sign up for free with your Gmail account, you will click on image creation. Now the first thing we need to do is to make sure that we set up the aspect ratio for the images. Since we are making a long form video for YouTube, we're going to select 16:9. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt, then paste it on this box. Now here is what you need to do to ensure consistency of the images you create. If you look at this prompt, it has no detailed information on how your characters will look, such as their color, hairstyle, clothes, and facial expression. So to avoid Leonardo AI giving us random or different images for other prompts, we need to adjust this particular prompt and use it as the base prompt. And for that, I have crafted an additional prompt that includes the color of their skin, clothes, hair, and facial expression. So I will just go ahead and copy this text right now and add it to the original prompt. Now let's create the first image to see what it looks like. And right here guys, you can see these images are ready, so you just go ahead and download any one of your choice. Now let's create the second image. And here you don't need to copy the entire prompt again, just like we did the first time. So what we're going to do is to copy from their names, their action, and their environment. That is their names, what they are doing, and where they are. Alright, then you forget the appearance because we have defined the appearance on the base prompt. So what you need to do is to click on this button, then select Edit with AI, paste the second prompt here, and click on Done. And this will keep the appearance, but we change the actions and the environment. And right now you can see the new images are not far from the first ones we created. They have the same skin color, hairstyle, even their clothes are the same. So you can download 1 or 2 of them. And you can repeat this process for other prompts. Just copy their names, the actions, and the environment. Now click on this icon, Edit with AI. When you are done, you click on Generate. So this is how to create consistent images on free accounts. And now that we have the image footage, we can turn them to videos using this free AI tool, video.studio. So you are going to click on Try Video. Then you can sign up for free with your Gmail account. Now click on this button, click on Create Video. And here we can turn image to video, reference to video, and text to video. So select the first option, image to video. Now click here to upload the image. Now the image is uploaded and you can choose to add some text containing the actions you want from your characters. So I might just type something like riding bicycle. And like I said, it is optional. So after that, you click on create. and each video costs 4 credits out of 80 credits monthly for free accounts, and that's enough for more videos. Now the video is ready to watch but is of low quality, so you are going to click on upscale to get a HD quality of this particular video. And after that, you click on download to save it. As simple as that. Now delete the image and upload the next one. Click on create. And that was created, so click on upscale to get a higher quality. Then download it. As for the voiceover that I used, it was completely an AI voice from play.ht. And once you sign up for free, you'll get to this page. So all you need to do right now is to copy the entire script again, then paste it on this box. Now click on this place written Sarah, and you can scroll to find any voice that resonates with your content. So I am going to choose this guy written Hunter, then click on confirm. Now click on this play button to generate the voiceover. Then you can download it into your device. Now the last step is bringing all these materials together, and you can use any editing software or application. So right here you need to create a new project. Then select and upload all the animated videos. Now click on audio, music, my music, then add the voiceover that we created. Now what you want to do now is to listen to it and make sure that the footages match what the guy is saying. Then cut out the unnecessary parts. Now let's add transitions. Click on this place, then select fade transition. And use this button to apply to other videos. Let's add some music and sound effects to the background. And we are going to use the YouTube audio library on desktop. This will help us avoid copyright issues on our videos. And right here you can search for any music or sound effects related to kids or children. Then download any music that you would like to use in your videos. The same thing goes for sound effects. In the main video, I added bicycle pedaling sound. You can just type bicycle and download any one of your choice. And I also added the sound of running water or stream. And when you type stream or water, you will find good sound effects for your videos. And to add them to our project, you're going to click on audio, click on music, then select bicycle pedaling, since the video started when they are riding bicycle. So when they have reached the river, they are no longer on bicycle. You're going to select the bicycle pedaling sound, then click on split and delete the unnecessary parts. Now that they are on the river, we need to add the stream or water sound effect. So click on music, then select water lapping wind. And finally, we need to add the normal background music we downloaded. Then reduce the volume to 15. Now you can use this text caption feature to generate captions for your videos if you want. And if you follow these steps carefully, you will be able to create something like the masterpiece. But before I show you again, please like and subscribe to support me. Thank you and see you in my next video.
Last week, Naeem and Hadi went to the river by bicycle. They brought their fishing rod and baits. At the river they found a spot and sat down. They put the baits and started fishing. While fishing, they chatted together and suddenly, Hadi caught a fish. Hadi pulled his fishing rod, but the fish was strong. Naeem helped Hadi and they pulled together, and finally they pulled out the fish. It was very big. They laughed happily. After catching a few fish, they stopped and ate lunch their mother prepared for them. Then they went home. It was a great day.